This is the BroView 600 quart storage bin, stacked. And I've been using it for everything from seasonal stuff to kitchen overflow, birthday party supplies, craft, and it keeps it so tidy. No more doom piles. And my house is small, so I need that extra come together, but I need it to look good. Each bin holds 200 quarts. So like I said, you can store all that stuff. Easy. I still have so much room. Pots and pans. Those just don't fit right in cupboard. They're deep, very easy to access. The clear magnetic doors are a very nice touch. I love fluted things, and this just, when I saw it, I knew. I was very surprised at how thin they fold down. About 3 inches thick when they're all. It took longer taking it out of the box than it did putting it together. You know what I mean? 5 minutes, just a couple quick snaps. And I do love that the clear magnetic doors hide the things enough that from far away you don't know what they are. It's not just a clear pane of glass, but I still can identify, and it's kind of like blurry colors. It looks cool. So I don't have to pull everything apart just finding something. I've got everything in here from steamers, pool chlorine, a bird feeder, things on my to-do list or things I like to do all the time list, a pool floaty inflator, very seasonal right now, and we're partying. And for you, this might just be a catch-all, a random overflow on wheels. Speaking of wheels, the wheels are great. They got locks on the bottom, very secure. And it also comes with these sticker straps that you can strap each bin together if you're moving them, picking them up a lot, or to the wall if you're afraid of kids knocking it over. Very helpful. You can open them from the top if you need to, like Tupperware bins, because each of them come apart as individuals. And if you wanted to, you could always get more lids for the other two. And I didn't expect to love these as much as I do, but man, they're big, they're fluted, and they're on wheels. And for me, that's really all I need. Space, organization, highly recommend.